Hello everyone, welcome back to another chapter of B2B marketing course. Imagine walking into a library without a map or search guide. You would spend hours wandering, unsure of whether to find the exact information you need. Now, that is exactly what marketing feels like without effective keyword research, especially in the B2B world where buyer intent, industry nuances, and complex decision making shape the journey. Finding the right keywords is like unlocking a treasure chest of opportunities. In this video, we are diving deep into how to conduct effective keyword research for B2B marketing. Now, stay with me until the end because the last few points are critical and can change how you approach your keyword strategy forever. So, before we jump into how, let's talk about the why. Why should keyword research be a non negotiable part of your B2B marketing strategy? Well, there are various reasons, but here are a few. First is complex decision making. So, B2B buyers are not shopping for impulse purchases, they are making strategic decisions that impact their organization. Keywords need to reflect this complexity. The next is target audience. So, unlike B2C, where your audience could be anyone, B2B focuses on specific industries, roles, and company sizes. So, finding keywords that speak to these specifics is vital. Then, longer sales cycle. So, B2B buyers take their time. Keywords should cater to every stage of the sales funnel from initial awareness to the final decision. Now that we are clear on why it matters, let's break down the steps to nail keyword research for B2B. So, the right tools are your best friends in keyword research. Think of them as your compass, helping you navigate through millions of potential search terms. Here are Here's the list of top tools for B2B keyword research. First is Ahrefs. This is perfect for competitor analysis and discovering high performing keywords in your industry. Second tool is SEMrush, which offers insights into keyword difficulty, search volume, and intent. Third is Google Keyword Planner, which is free and great for identifying keyword ideas straight from the source. Fourth is Moz Keyword Explorer. Now, this simplifies keyword discovery and highlights organic difficulty. Next is Answer the Public. Now, this helps uncover questions your target audience is asking. So, here's a tip for you: don't just rely on one tool, use at least two to cross check results and get a more comprehensive list of potential keywords. Now, in B2B, generic keywords won't cut it. For example, targeting CRM software might get you traffic, but most of it won't convert. Why? Because it's too broad. So what are long tail keywords? Well, long tail keywords are longer, more specific phrases that reflect user intent. They may have lower search volumes but higher conversion potential. For example, instead of CRM software, try CRM software for small businesses in healthcare. Instead of marketing automation, target best marketing automation tools for B2B companies. Then next, focus on intent. See, intent is everything in B2B keyword research. Ask yourself, is the user looking for information, comparing solutions, or ready to buy? Now, based on this, keywords can be categorized. So, first category is informational. This is for users seeking knowledge. For example, what is account based marketing? Then, second type of category is navigational. This is for users looking for specific tools like HubSpot CRM features. The next category is transactional keywords. This is for users ready to make a purchase. For example, buy enterprise SEO software. So here's a tip for you. Intent driven keywords ensure you are attracting the right audience at the right stage of the funnel. Now, speaking of funnels, B2B marketing is all about guiding prospects through three main stages: awareness, consideration, and decision. So, your keywords should align with each. Let's look at each stage one by one. First is awareness stage. So at this stage, your audience is just realizing they have a problem. They are not ready to buy it, but are hungry for information. Some example keywords are, say, what is data analytics, or benefits of cloud computing for business, or how to improve customer retention in B2B. Now these are some examples of the keywords for awareness stage. Then comes consideration stage. Here they are actively researching solutions and comparing options. Some example keywords are, say, best CRM tools for startups, or case studies on marketing automation ROI, or top 10 B2B lead generation tools. These were examples of keywords at awareness, consideration stage. Then comes decision stage. Now they are ready to make a purchase. They need proofs and assurances. Some example keywords are buy enterprise email marketing software. See the use of buy. Another example is HubSpot versus Marketo for lead nurturing. Then third example is pricing for AI powered sales tools. Look at the emphasis on pricing. So here's a pro tip. Divide your keyword list into these categories and create content tailored to each stage. Now your competitors are like cheat sheets. They've already done some of the hard work. So use tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to see which keywords they are ranking for. But don't just copy them. Go one step further by identifying gaps. So how to identify gaps? Well, first is check missing keywords. So look for keywords your competitors rank for, but you don't. Then explore untapped opportunities. Now, are there any niche keywords they've overlooked? For example, if they target marketing automation, you could focus on AI marketing automation for B2B. Then analyze content performance. Now, which of their blog posts or landing pages rank the highest? What keywords are driving the traffic, right? Then B2B buyers often turn to search engines with questions. So why not make those questions your keywords? So tools like Answer the Public and Google's People Also Ask sections are gold mines for this. Let's look at some of the example questions. So first example is how to choose the best ERP software for manufacturing. So this is one example. Second is what is the ROI of digital transformation in B2B? Then third is what do B2B companies need? Why do B2B companies need content marketing? So these are some examples. So here's a tip. See, questions often lead to long form valuable content like blogs or guides. So which build trust and authority. So by now you've probably gathered hundreds of potential keywords. So now it's time to refine and prioritize. How do you do that? Here are some criteria to consider. First is search volume. Are people actually searching for this term? Then second is keyword difficulty. Can you realistically rank for this keyword? So tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush will give you a difficulty score. Then there is relevance. Does the keyword align with your audience needs and your business goals? Fourth is intent. Does the keyword match the stage of funnel you are really targeting? Now testing. So see, keyword research is not a one and done process. Test your keywords, track performance, and optimize based on what works. Here's how you should test. First, create content for high priority keywords. This is the first step. Then monitor metrics like organic traffic, click-through rates, and conversions. Then next, use A/B testing for ad campaigns targeting different keywords. So here's a pro tip for you. Keep refining your keyword list every quarter to stay ahead of industry trends and algorithm changes. Now here's what you've been waiting for. The advanced tips that can take your strategy to the next level. So first strategy is voice search optimization. Now with voice search on the rise, focus on conversational keywords. For example, what is the best CRM for small businesses instead of small businesses CRM? Then second is localize when relevant. So if you are targeting specific regions or industries, include location specific keywords. For example, B2B marketing agency in New Delhi or New York. Then leverage AI tools. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm keyword variations or analyze trends in your industry. Then next is repurpose keywords. Don't just use keywords for blog posts. Include them in videos, podcasts, email campaigns, and even social media posts. See, keyword research is the backbone of any successful B2B marketing strategy. It's not just about ranking on Google, it's about connecting with the right audience at the right time with the right message. Now, by following these steps, you are not just throwing darts in the dark, you are building a roadmap to attract, engage, and convert your ideal customers. And remember, keyword research is not a one time task, it's an ongoing process that evolves as your business and audience grows. In the next video, we will explore on page SEO for B2B website best practices, a game changing topic you will not want to miss. Until then, start refining your keyword strategy and watch your B2B marketing efforts soar.